Hey guys, Jamie here at Thor Off-Road, and we just want to bring you a message, something that we've been working on for a long time. If you haven't noticed and haven't been watching our YouTube page or looked on our Instagram, but we decided to become a stocking Carli dealer here in Texas, and we're one of the only ones as far as I know. And here's a good reason why we did it. This gentleman drove all the way from Colorado to bring us his truck to get done, not only because, well, we're really good at it, but two, because we have all the right parts. We've got torsion sway bars, we have radius arms, we've got pin top kits, backcountry kits, all in stock. And we did that because I know that these parts are super hard to get and everybody's really fiending for them. And this guy is a perfect example. Found us on YouTube, watched our channel, learned a little bit about that we take pride in what we do. We're really proud of the fact that we rep a brand like Carli Suspension and build trucks like this. I mean, this King Ranch 2022 truck turned out beautiful. And we're just happy to be able to get these parts in stock, you guys be able to get the parts you want and have a truck like this. So we appreciate this guy. Tom Northley drove all the way from Montrose, Colorado down here to Dripping Springs, Texas to get his King Ranch outfitted with a backcountry, fully optioned, radius arms, torsion sway bar, rear devers out back. He was looking for the best ride he could possibly get on the road, and obviously because he lives in Colorado, he wants to step off the pavement, fill this camper up with a bunch of cool stuff, and get out in the wilderness. So thanks, Tom, appreciate you coming in. But this is why we became a Carli stocking dealer, and we're your Carli stocking dealer here in Texas.